It's a Sunday here in Toronto, Canada. It is March 31st, 2019. We're actually getting a late snowfall today. I'm just having a quiet day at home. I'm in a hoodie. I have absolutely no makeup on, but I was inspired to produce this video today because some of my Skype clients through virtual color analysis have been having a tricky time understanding their color analysis results as it relates to foundation, so makeup foundation selection. So I want to do a deeper dive into foundations, and I made a visit to my local drugstore to share with you some looks and feels to foundations in terms of undertone and the tones of foundation. So undertone and skin tone or overtone are very different things. And so hopefully that will come across in this video. Stay tuned. My in-person color analysis clients and virtual color analysis clients who I talk to over Skype expressed to me they have trouble matching a foundation to them. And so this video is all about that. So what I did was walked into my local drugstore today and went up to the makeup counter and asked them how they would direct somebody who approached them and gave their undertone and what they would tell them in terms of choosing a makeup foundation, because you perhaps don't have a trained eye in identifying, say, a cool base foundation which would have pink undertone to it, or a warm base foundation which had yellow or golden qualities to it, etc., and neutral being in the middle of there. So I got some help today from somebody at the makeup counter to hopefully help you, and they allowed me to take some photos while I was in there. So I first also want to say, in all my other videos, I say there's three aspects to every color we see: undertone, value, and intensity. And undertone is just really one component of color selection. When you're choosing foundations, undertone is just, again, one component. You're either choosing pink based, golden based, or somewhere in between. So pink being cool, golden being warm, and neutral being somewhere in between. And the other two aspects, value and intensity, will shift based on your skin overtone and your color analysis results. On your screen right now, I've circled all the cool undertones in this L'Oreal line. Again, it was just a random walkthrough in the grocery store. I have no affiliation with L'Oreal. Sorry, it's a drugstore. All those ones on your screen are cool. I've talked to many people who have brown overtone qualities to their skin who think they can't be cool undertone. All the foundations circled on your screen are all pink base. They all have a pink undertone to them, and it's just the overtone that has shifted. So you may need to change your foundations, as you burn, tan, fluctuate, or what have you throughout the year. But ultimately, the undertone will stay the same. On your screen right now, I've circled the warm foundations in this picture. Warm would also have a deeper value range as well. This is just in this particular picture, I've circled warm. So both these are warm. And then on this one here, I've circled the neutral. So it's a mix of cool and warm, that one. And then here is just a general picture. So this particular line is not labeled cool, warm, neutral. So you would need an eye to select pink base versus golden versus somewhere in between being neutral. So it can really be a jungle out there. I totally get it. But every line will have cool, warm, neutral with ranges of different overtones in there. Here's another look at the L'Oreal line. I was quite impressed that they actually are labeled. So all here you can see the labeling at the bottom. All the C's are cool, the W's are warm, the N is neutral. So hopefully that helps to show you that you can have a cool undertone, for instance, and have a brown overtone qualities to your skin, etc. I've met so many people that think cool undertone, you have to have pale ivory skin, and that's not the case. And then every warm and neutral would have different color ranges as well. You can be pale and warm, or have brown qualities to your skin and also warm. So there are ranges within each cool, warm, neutral to match different values and intensities. So hopefully this video has helped you really figure out how you should be looking at foundations, and knowing just undertone, much like hair color, is just one aspect of choosing a foundation. And as you burn or tan, or if your coloring fluctuates throughout the year, you may want to shift the value and intensities of your foundations. Have a great day.